My first reaction to the butter chicken. My girlfriend, she cooked it for me. She's so sweet. Look, I'm gonna break a bit naan bread. This naan bread, love? Or I don't know. I'm gonna dip it here first, and I'm gonna try the sauce with the bread. 3, 2, 1. That's good. Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3. She eat it with rice.
Rice is life.
Rice, baby. Rice, love.
Rice for me.
Rice for me, rice for you. Okay.
You like it?
Yeah, this is super good.
Disclaimer, I'm not Indian.
Maybe I'm gonna post
I'm
this.
Asian, but I can cook it.
Okay. It's good.
It's good, isn't it?
Okay, see you later, alligator. Don't forget to subscribe.